What's up guys, we got a 2018 Mazda CX-5. We're going to be replacing this cabin filter which goes behind the glove box. So this is a new filter, so premium guard. This is like a 25 bucks cabin filter. So it is going to come with instructions. So we're going to open this glove box. Probably going to have a lot of stuff in there. So we're going to quickly just pull this plunger out for you to grab this and pull it out. And then you're going to squeeze this side. You're going to squeeze this side here. And this whole thing will come down, and don't let it drop. I kind of like to keep it like right over here, and if the stuff just falls, so be it. Okay, I need a third hand right now. Okay, that's perfectly fine. So we got our filter right here. You're gonna pull up on this tab, and everything just falls out of there. So this thing just comes right out. So this looks pretty clean here. So we're gonna take our new cabin filter. Same way, it's got the arrow there, but you only could put this one way because there's a little latch here. So this goes right in. That's how simple this is. It got no covers, no nothing. This thing goes back up, smack it in there, and then this little guy gonna come down, and you're gonna pull down on this, and you're gonna clip this right in there. Okay, once you do that, your glove box should come down slowly like that. If it doesn't come slowly like that, something's wrong with this little guy right here. You didn't get it in, or it's out. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next one.